Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new IPSY bag for July, and I'm going to be doing a review of the items that I got last month in June. So let's get into this bag first so you guys can see all the fun stuff I got. There we go. Ooh. Cute. Not so much the saying, but this is really cool looking. It's very bohemian, and I super am into bohemian styles. So the first item I got, geez, look what happened to that. It got water damage, and it's like busted up, and it clearly wasn't inside here when that happened to it. So they shipped me out a jacked up box. That's not cool. Anyway, so this is a Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray by the Lifestyle Company in Los Angeles. And it is a really messed up box. But here is the product. It is 4 ounces. Let's see how it smells. Nope, can't do it. It's like a really strong peppermint, and I don't do peppermint. It gives me migraines. So that's going to be going to somebody else. So that's a no, right off, which sucks because I was looking forward to something like that. I'm sure it's refreshing and everything, but I couldn't handle the smell of it. So, all right, next item, bubble wrapped, is by Hip Dot. Very cool. It's in its own little sleeve. Ooh. These are like bronzers. It's hard to see because of the, here, let's do this. There we go. 4 shade face palette. It says you're a sun goddess even if you haven't spent time in the sun lately. Create the ultimate sun-kissed with these 4 highlight blush shades in a soft blendable formula. Create the ultimate sun-kissed look. I think they're missing a word right there. It says sun-kissed with. Yeah, I'm an English major, so. Anyway, I love that it has a little mirror. I love these colors. I might have to look up like a video on it's by Hip Dot. See if there's anything that teaches you kind of how to blend all of these different parts of the palette to kind of get the look that they're going for. So that's definitely a great one. I love those colors. Next item is by Tula Skincare. It's Rose Glow and Get It. Probiotic skincare. There we go. Cooling and brightening eye balm. Eye balm. I've never heard those 2 words together. So there's the container. Very cute. Oh, you twist it and then it pops up. There we go. It's interesting. It's like a crayon stick. So it says Apply around the eye area for instant cooling and a rose glow. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. So let's see how it looks. It has a tiny bit of a glow to it. I'm not sure if I would use it under my eyes though, because since I have this issue with dark circles under my eyes, I think doing stuff that creates more attention to it is probably not the best idea. But if I do have stuff that I put under my eyes to create a corrective, to correct that, then using this on top of it might help, but I guess we will see. I will try this out and see how it works. It does smell great though, and I love the formula. It's nice and smooth and silky, and the container's gorgeous. So, fourth item. This is by Artist Couture. It's silky lip oil. I'm getting too much of that kind of stuff, guys. I've got like 3 other lip oils. I think I need to redo my thing to let them know that I'm done with the lip oils, I guess. It's an interesting container. It's like this hot pink, like jelly. And it takes a hot minute to get it out. Look at that. That's crazy looking. It feels really, really soft though. That's definitely an interesting applicator. It smells almost like Bonnie Bell lip stuff. So I like that. It's cute. I'll try that out. All right, last item is Il Makiage Black Card Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Now, I've tried their foundation before. I saw it on Facebook and decided to try it out. And when I got it, even though it showed that it was the right color for my skin tone, when I got it, it was like super dark. So it was really crazy looking on me. So this is 1.5 milliliters. Look at that. That's pretty great. I've actually been wanting a liquid eyeliner to try out sometimes, and that looks like it's pretty dark. So that should work for me pretty good. We'll see how well it, doesn't smudge. That's awesome. I really like that. That will definitely be getting used. And this will go in my collection of little Santa bags that I have going. So that will go to the side. Next, I'm going to do a review of the items that I got from June's IPSY bag so that you guys know how they turned out for me, if I would recommend them or not, and all that kind of fun stuff. So first item that I'm going to do is this Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. This we did try just a little bit on one of my boys, and it did help. No more though than say the like aloe gel that you get at like Walmart that's like by Banana Boat. I don't know the actual ingredients in it because it does show right here that a lot of this stuff is in, I think it's Korean, but I'm not positive. And so it makes it kind of difficult to know what it is you're putting on your skin when it doesn't show you the ingredients. So anyway, this is going to be going in the drawer. That way we have it just in case. Next item was this eye cream that I got by Maybelline. I don't know how to pronounce that, guys. Anyway, it's an eye cream that you can apply to your under eyes during the morning or the night or anything like that. I did try it a few times. I wasn't too keen on the smell. It's coriander seed and marjoram, and it's very, very strong. And like I said, you know, the really strong things like eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, those are things that I tend to not be able to handle very well because they give me a headache. They're just too strong for me. So that one is going to be put in the bucket of items that I will not be able to use, and I'm going to be keeping them to do a giveaway in the near future. So, all right, next item. This is by Cosa Sport, and this was that lip color, which I've only used like twice because I'm not big on lip color. A little more girly than I used to be, but not super girly. So I don't tend to use more than just lip balm on a regular basis. However, I do like the formula with it. It's nice and silky, it's very moisturizing, and the color's beautiful. So, and it's in a nice compact little container. So if you are into that sort of thing, this is definitely a great item. The next item that I got from the last one is Tarte C Hydro Sealer. It's like a concealer, and I did try it on my under eyes. I'm still trying to go through and find stuff that's going to work for me. However, when I get ones like this, I need to obviously redo what it's saying my skin tone is, because everything I find seems to be just a little bit too dark. And so I think I need to redo their quiz so that it shows that I'm just a little bit lighter than it's showing right now. So other than that, I think this was pretty okay. I mean, the color was too dark, and then it did kind of show my fine lines and everything. It kind of settled into them. And what I'm honestly looking for is something that's going to be a concealer to help correct my under eye circles, but not settle into like my crow's feet and stuff right here, so that it doesn't make me look like I'm wearing a bunch of makeup, because I don't like looking like that. So hopefully if they send this one out again, I'll have my different color picked so that I can try it again and see if it works better. You never know. So the last item that I chose, which I am actually wearing, is this Kvass Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. I really do like this one. And it's very pigmented, and so I only use the tiniest bit of this one that's a solid, and then these ones are more of a shimmer. As you can see, I've used a bunch of this one, and so I definitely like the shimmery ones, but I only use a tiny bit of them, which I learned by trial and error. And so I'll use the solid just a little bit on my cheeks here, a little here and here, and then I'll blot my brush and then do the tiniest bit of the shimmery palette in different spots, like the tops of my cheeks, tiny bit above my eyes, a little bit here on my nose and on my chin, to kind of give myself a little bit of a glow. And that definitely seems to help quite a bit. So that is one I would definitely recommend. There it is. So hopefully that was informative for you guys. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me. I usually do reselling videos, so this is just something I'm kind of been trying out for months now, and I do like experimenting with all the different kinds of makeup and stuff. So if you had a favorite in here, or if you've already tried any of these out, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know. Anyway, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.